Wow.
Kuwang ko na dito usa. Parang inita ha. Init kuha ko yung tubig. Pastilan. No water, grandpa, because water is killed. Here in Balaga, there's a lot holding of the water. You know, the true owner of the water is the God. But here in Bohol, a lot of owner, people, doing turn off the water. That's why no water going here. I don't know what happened. Oh, for the do you call that one? See that one? A lots of work, you know. If you have only 5 people, I don't know what happened to your house. Maybe after 5 years, 10 years. You see that? Very, very, very heavy. Oh, it's hard to stand that one. Asa man na dapat ibarog? Di pa? Okay. You know? You go here so that you are also carrying these heavy pillars, very heavy pillars. Not enough, only 5 person. Oh, you see how many? 2, 4, 6, 8. Oh, to carry the pillars. Usa man na nagtubig naman na diha. Bagong bagong buhos na. Okay. Sabi ko gibaha na mo tain na ningan ha. Wa pa ba mo nangahubog? Basig pangkabuhion mo managan mo ha. Ipanghukutan mo na ng haligi.
Pulihay lang magukod.
Okay, you see that one. Alas, I cannot go there. It's very hot here. I'm here. No. Oh, you see Nulan? Everyone have work. Oh, everyone doing what is they're doing. Tagpila di pud kapala ikuan na lansod.